there, Standard 7s. I can't believe that you've come to the end of your school careers here. I remember you all very clearly being in the classroom, working with me in Standard 1. I've got photos of you all still. I was looking at them all the other day actually, and I can see Neil with her Christmas tree, her tree of her personal history. So we still do things like that with personal history, but I've never had someone with so much enthusiasm. So to all those children who did wonderful things for me in those years, it was wonderful, and I wish you all the best for the future. I hope you have a wonderful school life ahead of you. You all deserve to do really well in your lives. Lots of love, Miss Tight. Bye.
Morning, Standard 7s. I was probably the very first teacher you had when you arrived at Northside School 8 years ago. I would like to wish you all the very, very best. It has been amazing watching you through your Northside journey so far, and I know that you're going to be awesome wherever you're going to next. All the very best of luck.
Hi, Standard 7s. I'm so excited that you guys have just finished primary school and are headed off to high school. I was so proud to be one of your teachers when you were in my class, and it was such a great honor to have you guys. Enjoy yourself. The world is your stage, and you can do anything that you want to do. Believe in yourself. Good luck.
Goodbye, Standard 7. We'll see you guys around. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm here to tell you that you have been such good students. We did enjoy teaching you, and please, as you go out, as you go, we wish you the best, and please keep up the good spirit. Don't quit. All right, bye-bye.
Wow, Standard 7s, can you believe primary school is finally done? I wish you all the best as you move on to your high school, and remember to always give your best in all you do. Wish you all the best. Bye.
Standard 7s, it's time. Good luck on your next adventure. Know that we love you, know that we care about you, and we're so, so proud of everything you've achieved so far. Keep doing the best that you can. Keep being the awesome people that you are. Love you lots.